All right, so for 16 and 1.2, we know the function g is increasing. And then they want us to make some kind of statement about g of 3 minus g of negative 1. Right? Okay, so maybe here's negative 1. 3's over there someplace. What do I know about this function in between those values?
It's increasing.
It's increasing, so it kind of trends up-ish, right? This is, of course, not necessarily the function I'm talking about here, but it's something like that at least. See that? And then they're asking for g of 3 minus g of negative 1. So what's g of 3? Where's that on this picture?
Somewhere higher than negative 1.
Good. So this is the point, right? 3 comma g of 3, assuming this is a good graph, which it's probably not. Right? At any rate, I think I know that g of 3 is going to be up here somewhere, and g of negative 1 is going to be lower than that. So what can I say about g of 3 minus g of negative 1?
It's a lower number than g of 3.
Good. It's positive. See that? Yeah, it's got to be positive. Because I've got this minus that is going to give me this distance here, right? And I know that's positive because it's going up. So I think probably the most precise thing I can say here is that it's positive.
What if the whole graph was shifted into the negatives?
I think it'll still be positive. Because I'll still be taking a
3 and
let me draw that. So I've got g of 3 here, right, which is some possibly negative number. And from that, I'm going to subtract g of negative 1, which is a negative number that's bigger in absolute value. You guys see that? You want an example? Like maybe, for example, if this was negative 5 and this is negative 7, I would have negative 5 minus negative 7.
Okay.
Right? And so the fact that really, that's calculating this distance in between here, right? And this thing's above that thing. So when I subtract, I'm always going to get a positive distance there. Cool? Other questions? No?